was a free TV and numbers on like no comment no share money and so there any be ahead now this particular NDC communicator ADD ex-president Kufuor attempt because Wakoka say Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is the man of the moment and we defended that particular statement actually Ghana for say in the next 5 years you pay there obe develop Ghana aboa Ghana ama Ghana ide afa ntuma pemfira Ghana for ntuma Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia hey papa ya sama wakoka nti nkofo we si yenja awom di o ma di dinatem aya sam kuto and you have anything baby obetimi akoka na anso ya Accra FM e na akotena ho e na didi atem se poto obi anka ho yi knowing very well for this particular man is a statesman best president so far in the Fourth Republic papa peni 80 something years otini fie je na home mu didi na tem and this for them munze huni papa for the enku de goti na ya adabo enso di bi akọ ama sa ndc for no master to mu didi ex-president atem yanko de goti akọ we nsem no we are the Ghana for reactions and the double nsem out the two Ghana our be two yanko de goti
region ukojina platform so campaign ma MPP e wo Greater Accra enakwa oti hwiche mu a ye pagya want no akwa akotena WC so agya wonan no ye wi asase so obegu hwiche mu no mpo no still wo campaign ma MPP enanim guase we ka santema unka ho asem okoka kire parliament ekoka kire bagbe say o ma MPP be majority because eno na ya de ehia wo Kufuor is telling Ghana for say Bawumia is the man of the moment Bawumia ehu hia esna santema asem me no tumfo ka kire santefo wasemu mama sante sem ehia mo enya sa na ohene ka kire mo Chame Kufuor so ba wada le dia chese asante sem ehia Kufuor chame baako se ka to obi agimi anya akwankwa na agimi o sebie yewo bakwasia no bakwasia so nyini se de ba nyansafo nyini be panyinya nyansafo no sa na bakwasia so nyini enti sa wo so ya asanteni na prempuntuo ye se de opra de akwa asante kotoko no yenya na bro ena wo ti asempo ntimi nya hwe wo betena so asem president Kufuor 8 years ade a wotimi ye konfa noche akoye accident ward na Kufuor kosi ye ward ena Kufuor kosi ye 8 years
when mo munse hunu ni mujimi no wo de no ye de en wo jo mahama no de no ye mo de wa mo kasa as mo jama adwun wo fie mo betena radio so na mo keka bullshit. Why would you be saying these things? Said obi a penny or be akwala kwasia odi nyini ye no say won do the enyini also do the enyini I am mo for say obetena radio so you opportunity na no say you should be talking rubbish I am for say mo kwa no ya okuro man say on a whole statesman o kasa te say enwuram e kire no like do you even listen to yourself? You are not making any sense. What's one man this policy to send what me about who do who did ex-president at them a brown on a bow crewman say oh abo mu half or no brow abo brow abo what the 80 years kurampo no achievement or what do you say who mu saying mo so am betina say na mo ka de mo pe e de na mo ndisi for my ya achievement e bro no as president na achievement no abetina no be kick bullshit konfa no so ye no mo buy no de na mo ye wo konfa no che wo mo buy de na mo ye wo mo betra se na mo kika rubbish sa na mo ja ho na mo ko mfo se MPP for ye nye din ti no obi anye din ne masa obi antwe ma mo bi this time round sa mo se wu no se mu jai masa ya tra sa se wu no politics we so o ma for dabon so se ma de tu edwani
Dela Edem au kaseti ya papa J. Kufuor, former president, se ne boninti ene waka hwiche mu. Mr. Dela Edem, ade wedi say, obi a wanya 86 years, oti hwi mu a, ni news ye den. Openi dweno ho wate, hwe wumfia wedi. Yesi ye nyini ya yensla kwatia. Na communication po na wo to fire way. Na ya vice president abeden. Wa papa JM ontimi mie na nompo eni je Kufuor atem. Paninu wa boni din kobusa enimdifo a ekone na so respect no. One hand gate ma akura duru ayemfa. Mr. Dela one ra J Kufo, negate ma cry and foul. Mummy and Fanny, dear, my dear, need dear seno. Yenim so politics a dirty game. But I don't say, Ubebi one, no kaka se Fibia, the actual penny. Also be dim penny for atama, mustn't credit the atom, and credit the atom. Shapenmu at a so, oh, ma. Into Bane could DJ Kufuata manka futu wena adaman. Into Upen Munan Casan Wayo, it is a chinabu one about could you be at a mabaka chansadeng. Mayan katakatayani because of politics, nearly dimpen phobiatam. Search Nabu Quaco Pachawana. Ya papa J Kufoda was why? Tetena pansam. Ama ene, o Mr. Della. Utimi kasetiano sene boni ntinoti ehwim na nka nipa bi ya boni amanyame ehira no 86 years asa ama na yodefo se ya kaye nyina be ya boni ni ayodefo se ye duru 86 years ya ye ntra hwimu Mr. Dala san kona blebiem na be hu di opesa wonka na ntoni pasu na kasa na wokan no enye kasa papa enye kasa ye kasa kire pani enye kasa ye chapenim poasa otushi Mr. Delaipa hey ani aposo awo pedi asupao nani anti ani papa jem wa ma aposo dia mi donya mi wanra de obeka fa no ho de age odwane fli Ghana hawo hey dia politics dia menya politics but
You see? And so who sa politics into the deal penny water. Papa penny more wabo brassing, who fear for you now, wabo brassing, woman city. Who fear for you now, wabo brassing, woman, be no wabo brassing. When you who did not because of politics. Because of politics, I bet share the view. They say freedom of speech in Ghana view. Obi ntimi nkyerɛ na adwen bio wɔ kuruma no say because NDC for person be di ye fɛ so ɔman ne so eh na mo NDC for gba mo firi hefa after mama politics na ayɛ tantan politics plan no the point is obi anka say o party no oni ne fɛn say ni ways and means obetimi ya win election obi anka sa ba mo betan radio so ne TV so a you should be telling us about your policies. The entire to Abamamo, Munkanya, someone tell Manfon. Oh, young people need quantitative so radio, so the DJ the man in Mahama, a bin sit down. Oh, young people need back okra, so be advertiser, be born in Tina or TV team. Hey, Ubenya so be 80 years. Now, bra, man, we are boy, Wabobi. We had 1 million years grandma won't me more brana man or 80 years or 2 human abono. Won't me more be would you 1 million years was as you go or brow before end. That is a fact. I did be on man. Who may use your drink a cry. It's not about penny and aqua massa. Use what jenny and for your penny. Who use what jenny? Use what general and your politics didn't be the penny more time. That's the point. Oh, who not Dennis Macaboaje? Emma mammy did John the man Mahama attempt to say ye, or then a was same be an answer because John the man Mamma only didn't attempt to bet you say, what's a mile kind here? And say this is not the facts I come home. That's how we do it. That's how politics is. And you do be the attempt. What do you go to Dennis Macaboaje? How will seekers? How do you see?
Mahmoud Bawumia and Mahama. You don't just go and vote and say you have 8 years ago. You go and vote and say you were president. What was your record in fixing these fundamentals? And what is the record of this government in fixing the fundamentals? This government, if not for anything today, Umaru, we all attest to the fact that we are almost there when it comes to formalizing this economy. We are almost there. And that is fact. Again, this government has evidence to show that deliberately we have put in place systems and structures to ensure that we stimulate private sector to rebuild the industrial base. We have 11 automobile companies coming into this country. That is a big deal. You don't get automobiles companies peaking in 4 years. They need time to be able to peak. Then you begin to feel the impact. Now, why do you want to truncate a government that is showing working in fixing the fundamentals, and go and pick a government that came to office, didn't do any better, and has no record of anything towards building the fundamentals.
That government did not borrow us into a hole.
He borrowed from 7 billion to 129 billion. He didn't give us. He didn't leave us with any surplus.
No
anyway.
problem. You moved on from 129 billion to where?
And we moved education spend.
No problem.
No, we moved
you said
to 600 billion, about 600 billion.
Hold it. So they moved from what to what?
7 billion to 129 billion.
And you have moved from
129 to 600 billion. And guess what? No. And guess what? And guess what? And guess what? We have been able to keep 5.7 million children in secondary education. We have been able to build 12,000 kilometers of roads. We have been able to restore allowances that he cancelled. We have been able to employ 4 batches of teachers that he left at home. We have been able to pay teachers and doctors and nurses who work for 12 months. Under his government, after moving us from 7 billion to 129 billion, this is what he did. He left us in darkness for 4 years. He refused to pay teachers and nurses who work for 12 months, and he paid them for 3 months. Teachers and nurses who graduated in 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016 were left at home without employment. He, under his government, cancelled the social safety net of poor children who needed this to be able to access college education. 100,000 of Ghanaian children were left at home every year. And so you see, it's not just about how much you borrowed. It's about what you have done with the borrowing.
Let me tell you what else he has done, John Mahama. He left behind a hospital in which your Minister for Health went to sleep during COVID-19.
Okay.
He became the savior of your pandemic.
Let me tell you.
He built for you.
You see, NDC journalist for Nasha. So, how was he presenting nothing when did he join the man in Mahama? But Obenya Sanko for we no more. Well, I'm for a TV comment to comment on my